I need you to stay calm and push when I say push.
Okay, doctor.
Okay. Push, 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 push. Man, push, push. It's a boy. You have a baby boy.
Oh my God, you're so cute. Let me hold him. Let me hold him.
Huh? Bah!
Move. Fuck, I cut my braces off.
What do you mean?
My cement came off.
Let me see. From where?